Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this Microsoft Excel tutorial, I would like to introduce how to install Microsoft Excel add-in for statistical analysis, which is a Toolpak add-in. So first, you need to open Microsoft Excel. So let's say this is a Microsoft Excel. So you need to click on File tab, right? After you click on File tab, you need to find Option. Down below, you need to find Option, right? And then they will pop up a dialog box for you. Right, now in this dialog box, Excel option, you need to find add-ins, right? And then you click this one. Now, if you can see in the add-ins display, you can see inactive application add-ins, Analysis Toolpak, right? If your Analysis Toolpak is already inside active application add-in, so you don't need to do but if your Analysis Toolpak is under inactive application add-in, you need to go to down below. You need to see manage Excel add-ins. If you click on drop down button here, you need to find Excel add-ins and you click go. Right, once you click go, now you see the dialog box for add-ins available. You see Analysis Toolpak. You click here, click Analysis Toolpak and click on OK. Right, so once you already click OK, if you go to Data tab, right, you at the last function icon, there will appear a data analysis. If you click data analysis, it will show you a dialog box for statistical analysis. Right? We have ANOVA, correlation, covariance, and then we have a descriptive statistic and so on. So for example, let me demonstrate how to use descriptive statistic. Let's say I just generate a number between random between, say I generate a number random between 100 to 500, right? So let me show you the formula for generating a random number. Just reference random RAND between, this is the minimum value, which is the bottom value, and the maximum value, and you hit enter. It will generate a random number between 100 to 500. So let's say I drag until 20 here. So I'm making 17 data. Now for data analysis, you just click on data analysis. Let's show some demonstration how to use Analysis Toolpak add-ins in Excel. So you just click descriptive statistics, click OK. Now it will ask you input range, so you click here and select all the data that you want Excel to calculate mean, descriptive statistics such as mean, mode, median, standard deviation, and so on. And then output option, here you click output range, and then you want Excel to display at where. So if you want Excel to display in new worksheet or new workbook, you just click the option lah. Now I want Excel to display in this worksheet, so I just click here. I want Excel to display the result here, right? And then I click here and click summary statistics, confidence level for mean, and click OK. So Excel will provide you a descriptive statistics for this data. Alright, I think that's all for how to install Analysis Toolpak add-in in Microsoft Excel. So until then, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.